Hello children, a joyful day for everyone. Welcome to EVS class. Welcome to EVS class. Children, in our previous video, we have learned about our own selves, introducing and saying about our own selves. So children, I am with another topic. The topic name is our body. Our body. The topic is our body. So children, our body is made up of so many parts. So in that parts, some parts we can see, some parts we can see, some parts we cannot see, which are there in our body. So our body is made up of different parts. Our body is made up of different parts. So children, today we will learn about different parts of face. We shall learn about different parts of our face. So in our body we are discussing and we are learning about parts of the face. Parts of the face. So children, you all know we have different parts in our face. So our first part is in our face is head. Head. What is the first part, children? Head. Yes children, everyone touch your head. Touch your head. This is your head. This is your head. Spelling is H-E-A-D, head. H-E-A-D, head. Yes. So you can see, you just touch your head. This is your head, children. Everyone touch your head. Touch your head with your hand. This is your head. Okay. Then the next part is your hair. Hair. Yes children, you all have hair. We all have hair. Yes. Head is covered with the hair. Head is covered with the hair. Yes, some have black hair, some have brown hair, some have white hair. Yes children, yes, so we all have black hair. Yes, some have long hair, some have short hair, and yes, so all the boys will have short hair. Now children, yes, so that is your hair. Everyone touch your hair, children. Touch your hair. That is your hair. Okay. Then the next part is your forehead. The next part of the face is forehead. Okay. This part is your forehead. This part is your forehead. Yes. So your forehead. Okay. So shall we read the spelling, children? F-O-R-E-H-E-A-D. Forehead. Okay. It is forehead. Okay. Then the next part is your eyes. What are they? Eyes, children. Everyone have how many eyes? Yes, 1 and 2. 1 and 2. Yes. What are they called as? Eyes. What do we all do with our eyes, children? We see. We see with our eyes. Yes, we see with our eyes. Shall we read the spelling, children? E-Y-E-S, eyes. E-Y-E-S, eyes. What do we do with our eyes? We see with our eyes. We see with our eyes. Yes. Once close your eyes, children. Can you see anything? No, we cannot see anything. If you close your eyes, you cannot see anything. We see with our eyes. Yes. So the next part is nose. What is the next part, children? Nose. Where is your nose? Everyone touch your nose. This is our nose. This is our nose. Everyone touch your nose. What do we do with our nose? We smell with our nose. We smell with our nose. We smell different things. Yes. The sweet smell of flowers. Yes, the flowers will have sweet smell, and if your mother is cooking, you will get different types of smell. Yes, if you go near the dustbin, you don't like that smell. Yes, We don't like the smell of the dustbin. Why? Because we throw all the dirt in the dustbin. We smell with our nose. How many noses do we have? We have only one nose. Everyone has one nose. We smell and we breathe also with our nose. Yes. So shall we read the spelling, children? N-O-S-E, nose. N-O-S-E, nose. Then the next one is, the next part is ears. What are they? Ears. Yes. Shall we read the spelling, children? E-A-R-S, ears. E-A-R-S, ears. Yes. If anyone is calling you, yes, what do? We hear with our ears. And if teacher is explaining anything, what do? We hear with our ears. Yes. How many ears do we have? 1 and 2. 1 and 2. Everyone has 2 ears. Yes. We listen music with our ears. We enjoy the music. We enjoy hearing anything which we like. We hear with our ears. How many ears do we have? We have 2 ears. Yes. Then the next part is mouth. What is the next part, children? Part of the face. It is mouth. Mouth. Yes. M-O-U-T-H. Mouth. M-O-U-T-H. Mouth. Yes. What do we do with our mouth? We speak, we eat, we drink. Yes. We all do different kinds of things. Yes. So what do we have in our mouth? We have 2 lips. We have teeth. Yes. We have tongue. What do we have? What do we have, children? We have lips. We have teeth. And also we have tongue. Shall we read each spelling, children? Yes. L-I-P-S, lips. L-I-P-S, lips. Then the next one is T-E-E-T-H, teeth. T-E-E-T-H, teeth. Yes. What do we do with our teeth? What do we do with our teeth, children? We chew the food. Yes, we chew the food. Then the next spelling is T-O-N-G-U-E, tongue. T-O-N-G-U-E, tongue. We taste different things. Yes, we have different tastes. So we taste with our tongue. Yes, we speak with our mouth. Yes, we speak with our mouth. Then we eat food. We drink milk, water and cool drinks with our mouth also. What is the next part, children? It is our neck. Yes. So this is our neck. Okay. This is our neck. The spelling is N-E-C-K, neck. N-E-C-K, neck. So children, we have seen different parts of our face. Today we have learned about different parts of our face. We have seen head, hair, forehead, eyes, nose, ears and mouth. Okay. Once again, children, head, hair, forehead, eyes, nose, ears, mouth. Okay, so children, we have learned different parts of our face today. Thank you, children. Thank you for watching.